Here we are on the renovation project, and we're talking about floors here. These are the original oak floors, and it's what's called a pre-finished floor. The bevel here is to hide imperfections in different heights. So what we're going to do is actually sand it all down, and we're going to basically remove the micro bevel, get it down to the original level. Here we are back on the job where we've done the sanding of the floor. The degradation of the finish is now gone, and we have taken it down below the level of the micro bevel, and we've done some filling and some sanding and a whole lot of cleanup and the first primer coat of varnish.